Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make butter dal with beef. We'll explore a truly unique and delicious recipe that brings together the comforting richness of butter dal with the savory depth of perfectly cooked beef. This isn't just any dal. It's a hearty, flavorful meal. We'll cover all the essential ingredients, from the lentils and butter to the specific cuts of beef and aromatic spices, ensuring you have everything ready to create this incredible dish. Now let's dive into preparing the star of our dish, the creamy butter dal. First, soak your split pigeon peas for about 30 minutes. This helps them cook evenly. Then boil them with a pinch of turmeric and salt until they are wonderfully soft and easily mashable. The final touch is a fragrant tempering, or tarka, made with ghee, cumin seeds, and fresh garlic, which infuses the dal with an irresistible aroma and depth of flavor. Next, we focus on the beef, ensuring it's incredibly tender and packed with flavor. Start by searing about 500 grams of beef stewing cuts until they develop a lovely brown crust. Then, build a rich base by sautéing onions, ginger, garlic, and a fragrant mix of garam masala and chili powder. Finally, let the beef simmer gently in this aromatic sauce for at least 2 hours, allowing it to become wonderfully fork tender. The moment has arrived to bring everything together. Carefully fold the tender, spiced beef into your creamy butter dal, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Stir in a generous knob of unsalted butter and a handful of fresh cilantro for that signature richness and vibrant finish. This hearty butter dal with beef is best enjoyed warm, perhaps with some fluffy basmati rice or warm, soft naan bread. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.